Talagang mapapamura ka. Isipin mo, tingnan mo naman yung lugar. Ang ganda. Mapapamura ka sa ganda. Look at it.
Tara, picture.
Oh, picture tayo.
Ikaw na pala kailangan ng gloves. Ikaw mo kailangan ng gloves yun.
Okay, standing clear of the gates, everyone. Stand clear of those gates.
Ayan po, akit na.
Gates and doors. So,
Picture, Mau. Dapat picture tayo sa train. Matingin ka rito.
Okay, closing gates and doors on the left.
Dapat kayo dito rin.
Clara.
Lang.
Maganda yung cellphone ni Sam. Same na lang.
Ayan, akit na po yan. Babalik na po yan sa station. Itaas, look at it.
Okay, come on board, mind your heads, mind the step, I'm on board. Once you're in, just make sure everything is inside the train, nothing hanging out on the train, and then I'll be closing up the gates and doors. Okay.
Hindi yung sinasabi lang ano, may kaysaysayan, no?
Mountain.
Doors closing on the right now, everyone. Stay where you are on the train. Welcome to the Scenic Railway. My name's Daniel, driver up the back of the train. Let's head back up to Scenic Railway. Just make sure you hang on to everything. Travelling up. Well, Scenic Railway. Yes, go.
Bye-bye. Akit na lang. Pwede pala makit mamaya. Yan o. Taas po niyan. Matarik oh. Matarik talaga. Sobra.
Tayo pa.
Picture na.
Ayan. Hey Patrick. You alright, mate? Mama. Hello to everyone. Hello. Ma-picture mo muna si Patrick. Picture mo muna si Patrick, Mau. Magbibideo muna ako. Sorry. Ayan, ang Blue Mountain. Ayan, oh. Wow. Ayan. Pipila muna tayo. Hey Lawrence, don't forget my cappuccino, 2 sugar, large. Okay? Si Mama, hot chocolate, small. Order ka na kay Lawrence. Sabihin mo na yung order mo. Sinabi ko na sa iyo mo. Oh, punta mo.
你刚刚你看他微信里说啥呢？
Don't you want to?
啊，你老干啥？
Ayan po. Ayan o. Ayan. This Blue Mountain. Nandito tayo sa Blue Mountain. Okay, keep on watching my video. Oh, sige. Lawrence.
Ano gusto mo, pizza?
Ha?
Pizza?
Ha?
Pizza?
Bala yun, sige. Okay, kain muna po kami sa ating scenic world. Okay, keep on watching my video.